Cardano holders, be alert because Cardano is face down. What's the prediction of Cardano? What's the new update of Cardano? And what's the technical analysis? Exactly, my friend. In this video, I will completely show you absolutely with proof, my brother, to upcoming time Cardano is moving upward or fails down. Exactly, the current condition is going to be very bad. So therefore, I make this video for all new holders. Try to understand, holder. Please don't skip any second and let's start this brand video. But before I get started this video, I have one request to subscribe this channel and also click out the subscribe button. As you can see, my brother, especially from last 7 days, all cryptocurrencies moving upward. And as you can see, my friend, if you know the crypto market is very badly face down, especially, my brother, at the start of month. So therefore, I've all coin and this month starting moving upwards, so it's mean to the last month all cryptocurrencies fares down. Yes, absolutely, everybody know this. To in the last month all coins is completely fails down. So therefore, in the start of month, just I hope, my brother, I expect this to end this month. The all coin is completely moving upward without just in only, my friend, Polygon is completely fails down. But you can see Cardano result is going to be very good now. So if you have any plan to invest another coin, exactly, my brother, be research personally, this is very good, my friend. But Cardano, I research absolutely, my friend, this time, especially Twitter and especially my friends Google. So I personally check out the website of Exerfree. So there is not a very good update available, my friend, on Twitter, etc. But absolutely, I understand after my technical analysis, absolutely, I know this. To upcoming time, there is more chances to them moving upward, because you can see, my brother, after a very long time, Exerfree will starting moving upward. So exactly, that's mean to Exerfree will make you millionaire. And be alert, don't sell it. Absolutely, a lot of holders selling this time, especially the short term investors. So I just alert you, I just advise you to don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope my Cardano holder brother, my viewers, my subscriber, they will move upward in upcoming time and they will make you millionaire. So this is very stable coin. Just go now, invest now. Absolutely, this is not a losing coin. They will never lost, my friend, especially every day, every time. So go now, invest now, and absolutely hold it and wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and remember to subscribe this channel for more this type of informative videos.